Hi, this is Vipul Singh, partner Design Accord Consultants. I head the architecture and interior design wing for Design Accord since 24 years. This design firm was started by Madhup Majumdar and me in about 2001, October 2001. So we will be very soon stepping into our silver anniversary year. And we are majorly into architecture, interior design and landscape design, where Madhup leads the landscape vertical. And we have projects pan-India and also some international projects. And also we have a government vertical which is headed by two more other partners, Rajesh and Ravindra Verma. And they only look after government projects and yeah, that's most about Design Accord. Duro, yes, I was into my business of design way back in 2001, and we started working with Duro in 2005. So that was the first time when we had specified veneers from Duro in our corporate interior projects, and there were about 1,500 sheets used at that time. And yes, the product was very good, and the outcome of the veneers after polishing was awesome. And rather, we also got another project after that from the same client. So I think, yes, the credibility of us also, we can share it with Duro. See, Duro will be completing 70 years and we will be stepping into a silver jubilee year. So yes, I would say that with brands like Duro, we have been working since more than 20 years rather. And it actually gives credibility to us, as well as we also give credibility to Duro while working together, because both are now very well established brands. And yes, while we are working together, we specify Duro, we specify veneers, and we specify ply. And yes, we don't have to face any challenge from the client. So client also feels that yes, the architect also is well aware of the good brands in the business, and it helps us to ease our work and get good quality in overall interiors. See, at the end of the day, it is more about quality. While we do big projects, our project portfolio is generally large scale projects, whether it is a resort or whether it is a hotel or a club or a mall. So when we specify something, it has to be very established brand. Otherwise, we cannot specify it. Because while we specify a material and it gets used, it is in large scale. It's not one or two plies or one or two veneers. It is into multiples of few hundreds or few thousands of other sheets. So when we say Duro, our job is half done, the client does not challenge it at all. He accepts the name and he goes ahead. See, most of the fellow architects and interior designers, mostly who are my friends, so when we discuss, they also introduce me certain brands, and we also talk about certain brands. So while when I speak of Duro, most of them know about the name, and I think 60% to 70% of people already used Duro. So I don't have to elaborate much on the credibility of the product. But yes, I must say that while Duro is doing a great job, we are also doing our bit to give the client the best of the industry. See, at the end of the day, our design intent is always to innovate something. If we keep on doing a regular job, then we are not also satisfied. So there are times when you need something which is extraordinary. There are grains, wood grains, then there are burls, then there are herringbone patterns, which not all brands bring to the table. So therefore, I have been able to, there is a project which wherein 600 room projects, hotel project which I had worked upon, and there was one particular pattern which I wanted on the wall by the veneer, and which Duro managed for us. So yes, I could get that result, and very happy to say it on record. Well, it's a very big thing which you have said, building a nation. Yes, we have worked on projects which are, as old as 24 years, 23 years, 20 years. And when we go back and when we look at those projects, we are very happy to be part of the overall development. Like in Calcutta, for example, every main street of Calcutta has at least one project of ours. We are very proudly saying it, and we are very proud to say that we have a very important role to play in the overall development of the architecture or interior design of Calcutta. And while you walk by the lanes and while you walk in front of your projects, you feel that yes, you feel very connected and you feel very nostalgic, because there is always a journey in the building of a project or series of projects which you work upon. And for last 24 years, we have been working in India in various parts, but Calcutta being the most concentrated part of our work portfolio. I must say that it makes me very, very nostalgic, and I feel that yes, Calcutta has seen the first mall of itself by Forum, and we have been a part of it. So yes, I become very nostalgic, and yes, I'm very proud of the moment that you have asked me that how I have been in a part of the journey of development of Calcutta or any city, I must say. So yes, I'm very happy to share that.